We're back at Maharika Hotel here in Tarlac. So that's our king size bed. They have side tables, chairs, working area, TV. There's a snack bar. There's a coffee station. Meron din siyang personal with bar counter. You have to pay. Ayan, meron pa siyang pulutan. So that's our door, our bath. So we have shower area. Joy, Momshi. Yan, meron din siya flat screen TV. Receiving area. See you in our next video.